Let's try this again. Hello, all my late night viewers. Erica with One Berkshire here. If you're one of those late night Facebook viewers, then you're in for a treat because here we are. This is Carrie from IS183, and you're probably seeing a big pink flamingo behind us. There's a reason for that. We are sneak preview of a very special event coming up. So Carrie, in your most G-rated way possible, because of our viewers, can you tell us a little bit about Camp Kitchykinky that's happening this weekend?
Camp Kitchykinky, it's a cross between John Waters movies and Wes Anderson movies and a little bit of, let's see, Girl Scout, Boy Scout, a little bit Camp B movies. You get it.
So the cool thing about when you go to a gala that's for an art school is you get amazing art installations. So we're going to go for a little walk around this place, but I just want you to see some of the incredible artwork and installations that we're going to get a preview of. So we're going to go over here first because we always have to start with the most interesting thing, which is, yes, that's right, a spanking machine.
Ready?
Ready?
Yep, that really just happened live. So if you come to the party, you too can try the spanking machine. And you'll notice behind us, we're looking at a bar that also looks a little like an RV. Is there anybody back there who wants to talk about this artwork?
The RV?
Anything. The bar?
Yeah.
Tell us who you are.
So my name's Parker. We've been working together on this build, making all this crazy stuff because it's a huge room. We're trying to make this big room feel small with these huge elements and make people feel like they're little again at a camp. So you've got 8-foot flamingos, the classic moose fish, that kind of stuff.
Classic.
We're gonna head over to that moose fish because that is compelling.
Let's do it.
So talk to me a little bit about when you guys do these galas. You do them once a year, right?
It's our annual fundraiser for IS183 Art School.
And what year are we at here?
Oh, we've been doing this for 27 years, since 1991. I can't do math. I'm an artist.
Since 1991.
Yes.
So right here behind me now, there's a strange lifeguard booth. Even though we have no water, what is going to be happening in this lifeguard booth?
What's going to be happening? The DJ, of course.
Oh, there he is. Pretend you're hearing some pumping music right now, because that's what would be happening on Saturday. Okay, so this is probably my favorite part of all the artwork that's here. This right here is a gigantic moose fish. Yes, both a moose and a fish all in one. So Carrie, can you talk to me about this thing?
Moose fish created by Joe Wheaton, the one and only.
The one and only.
Isn't it beautiful? You have to come see it in person. It's just not.
You can even pet it if you come see it in person. Let's walk around this thing so you can really get a sense of the scope. Here's the face in all of its glory. And there's a whole crew of people back here helping to make this possible. They've been working day and night since Tuesday. They've been here.
Well, here in this space. In this space, but we've been working for like 3 months on all these projects.
To get them ready. So you're going to see it all in one big night. Where else should we go? How about what's happening in this cage right here?
Oh, that's going to be the projections again by Joseph.
Oh, we're going to see some projections at the very end of this video.
We got to go visit Lucy over at the silent auction.
Okay, let's go over to Lucy. Everybody wants to see Lucy. We're coming for you, Lucy.
Hey there. Welcome to the silent auction area.
What kind of things are going to be on this table on
So
Saturday?
many things from amazing donors all across the county. We have stuff actually from even over the border, Chatham Berry Farm.
Ooh.
We have PS21. We have Township 4. Oh my gosh, local artists. We have a bunch of really cool things
Awesome.
from IS183 Art School.
And
that's what this is all about.
Those tables kind of look to me like those old camp bunk beds.
They are. They're going to be cots.
Oh, I get it. All right, we're going with that camp theme. All right. Anything else we should look at while we're live?
Gotta go to the photo booth.
Gotta go to the photo booth. All right, we're gonna take you to the photo booth. We're bringing a crew along here. You can just see how big this space is. Imagine it full of a bunch of people dancing and snacking and having a really good time. So this is our photo booth, right?
It is.
So it looks like we're on a lake.
Let's demonstrate. Somebody get in the boat, please.
Somebody get in the boat. Oh wait, you have water skis too. Oh wow, that is amazing.
Can you catch it?
Oh, we got 2 water skiers back there and a very talented boat driver. So you too could have this image of yourself with your 2 closest friends having a good time on the lake. All right, so how are we ending this? How are we landing this ship?
Projections.
Projections. Okay, so
little sneak peek.
the lights are about to go off here, and we're going to see what it's going to look like when some art is projected onto, there's going to be a big white screen, but for right now we're going to look at it against the camper bar here. So you're about to see, as soon as these lights go off, you're about to see some amazing moving art projections. Oh, there we go. So yes, this will be what you will be dancing to on Saturday night. And there are still tickets available. Carrie, come talk to us about tickets.
Tickets. IS183.org, campkitchykinky.com.
And how do you dress for this event?
Oh, you could dress any way you want. You can dress on theme, off theme, or just come in casual clothes, whatever, it doesn't matter.
All right.
Yeah, get crazy.
So hope to see you all on Saturday at Camp
Yes.
Kitchykinky. We're
Come
here at
dance.
Eisner Camp in South County. See you soon.
Ciao.